This ABC 15 Flash Briefing is sponsored by Sanderson Ford. Straight up.
Hello, I'm Danielle Lerner with your top stories from ABC15 Arizona. For the second day in a row, the Arizona Health Department reporting more than 3,000 new coronavirus cases. Yesterday, the state added 3,246 new cases, the most ever reported in a single day. Today's report, not far from that. Arizona adding 3,109 new cases and 26 more deaths. The state's total now approaching 50,000 cases. And today was also the first full day that masks were required in enclosed public places in Maricopa County. The County Board of Supervisors approving that policy last night after several states had already put the mandate in place. The county's decision essentially covers all cities that have not done so yet. And here's what that means for you. People older than 6 have to wear masks in those enclosed public spaces where social distancing cannot be maintained. Kids 2 to 5 years old, they're encouraged to wear a mask if they can tolerate it, but you don't have to wear a mask if you're in your home, your car, if you're outside exercising, or if you're at a restaurant eating or drinking. Governor Doug Ducey ordering flags to be lowered at half staff today as a way of honoring Michael Lee, a Navajo police officer who died from COVID-19. The 50-year-old becoming the first officer currently on the tribal police force to die of coronavirus. The Navajo Nation back under a curfew this weekend after the tribe lifted weekend lockdowns late last month. And we are on wildfire watch during yet another busy weekend for fire crews all across our state. The bushfire in the Tonto National Forest has now burned more than 174,000 acres. That is larger than the city of Scottsdale. But there is some good news this afternoon. We learned some evacuations will be lifted tomorrow morning. Meantime, the Bighorn fire near Tucson, where the estimated containment has gone down to 21%. It's charred nearly 43,000 acres. And the Central fire, this one just got started in New River today. That's near Central Avenue and Mingus Road. Right now, it's about 1,500 acres with no containment. But officials say it's moving fast and threatening structures in that area.
Tracking your most accurate forecast, I'm meteorologist Jorge Torres. Get ready for a sizzling next several days with temperatures flirting with 110, beginning as early as Monday and lingering for much of next week, thanks to a powerful ridge of high pressure that will begin to build across the southwest beginning early next week, meaning very hot temperatures, a light wind, and obviously very dry conditions. No rain, unfortunately, in the forecast for the next 7 days and even perhaps a few days after that. So tonight, lows in the 40s and 50s up in the high country and along the rim, with overnight lows to the west and to the south, generally in the mid and upper 70s, even a few 80s, with highs on Father's Day in the 80s there in Flagstaff, at the Grand Canyon, 100 in Kingman, and the hotspot Bullhead City at 111. And that Father's Day planner showing a warm morning with temperatures in the 80s and topping out at 108. And it gets even hotter on Monday with a high of 109, 110 on Tuesday. And look at those temperatures Wednesday onward, more or less well above average from 110 to 111 through next weekend.
For the latest headlines, weather, and traffic, head to abc15.com or download our free ABC 15 mobile app.
This ABC 15 Flash Briefing is sponsored by Sanderson Ford. Straight up.